Hey everyone, hopefully you're all doing well. I'm about to make a sound, alright? And in the comments down below, guess what it is, alright? Put your suggestions down below what it is, and then I'll reveal it at the end of the video. Yeah, guess this random sound. And it's not technology generated, just to put that out there. Here it is. Can you guess what that eerie sound was? Can you guess? Put comments down below, see if you get it right or not. Have you done it? Have you done it? Well, here's your last chance because I'm about to reveal it to you. But yeah, excuse the mess if you get to see it at any point. I'm currently revising, so yeah, totally being very productive, making very weird sounds. Totally, yeah, I'll be a plonker like that. Right, so that eerie sound you just heard just came from this. A wine glass with this shape of a head needs to be narrower at the top than it is the middle, fill it with water a certain way, and it has to be touching the ground surface. Now people actually do this for musical instruments called glass acoustic. However you fill the glass with water, it will make a different sound. So here's an example. So it has to be touching the surface for this to work. Now you have to dip your finger in the water, get your finger nice and wet, and you gently, not firmly, gently do this on the top of the rim of the glass. It will make that noise. With this one, it will make a different noise. It's quite an interesting sound. Now, I'm not going to explain to you how this works scientifically. A, alright, it's better to leave it a mystery, and B, I have no clue. So, it's just something to just do, a little trick. But yeah, my guess is it's something to do with the sound vibrations hitting this glass and coming out and making it a sound. It has to be touching the ground level as well. If you do this and try to do this like this, it won't work. You see touching this, so it needs to be on a ground level surface for the vibrations to work. So yeah, hope you did enjoy. Speaking way too quick. And yeah, that is a little random video while I'm totally being productive. So I'm like, oh god, okay. God. Say hello, mate. He's struggling because to breathe because I'm strangling him. Sorry, mate. Yeah. Hopefully enjoy, guys, and yeah. I know it's different content, but you know, it's an interesting noise. I thought I'd do a video on it. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully you're all doing well. Yeah. Peace out.